Here's a bunch of kitchen hacks you'll wish you'd known about earlier. An ingenious use of a potato peeler to butter your bread. To find out if boiled potatoes are ready, do the knife test. If the knife tip comes out easily, it means the potatoes are cooked. Reseal a packet of bread by using this method. Perfectly sealed. Does the cheese stick to the grater? Just drizzle on some oil on it and the grater will stay clean. Did you know that you can reseal a can by using its lid? Lock down the tab like shown here and store it in the fridge. Some pills can leave a bitter taste in your mouth. Try putting them in the fridge to eliminate the bitter aftertaste. A frozen avocado will stay fresh and tasty. Ready for use for all your recipes. How to whip cream using only a jar. Close tightly and shake vigorously for a couple of minutes. When you can no longer hear liquid sounds, the whipped cream is ready. Lemons and limes keep for longer in a bowl of water. They won't lose moisture and dry out. Here's a technique that will help you prepare dishes that use a lot of eggs. And to beat them quickly and effortlessly, use a milk frother. Perfectly beaten. To make very thin crepes, spread the batter with a chopstick bent into an L shape. Wow! A clever hack to prepare sushi at home. Perfect for a quick lunch.